Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. The reading that I would like us to reflect on today izwi engifisa sihlale kulona namhlanje. It's Romans chapter 8 from verse 26. Romans chapter 8 from verse 26. That's the word that I would love us to reflect on today. Sibuke izwi likaNkulunkulu from Romans chapter 8. Romans chapter 8 from verse 26. Asilizwe lithini izwi likaNkulunkulu. Likewise, the Spirit of God helps us in our weakness. For the Spirit himself intercedes for us with groaning too deep for words. Likewise, the Spirit of God helps us in our weakness, for we do not know what to pray for as we ought, but the Spirit himself intercedes for us. Ngokunjalo nomoya kaNkulunkulu uyasisiza ebuthakathakeni bethu, ngokuba asikwazi esingakucela ngokufaneleyo, kodwa umoya uqobo usikhulumela ngokububula okungephikiswe umuntu. There's something here that I just find powerful. St. Paul talks about the realities of our lives, and ngifuna ukuhlala kuyona lento kancane ukuthi there's so much that is going on empilweni zethu. There is so much that is going on in our lives, and there's so many difficulties that people go through. There are so many issues that people go through. I'm not sure if you've ever reached a stage where ukhathele ukuthandaza. I'm not sure if you've ever reached a stage where you find it difficult to pray. And it's not because you don't want to. It's because you've been praying and it seems as if it's hitting deaf ears. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi khona izinto la ushawa izinto empilweni to a point la kungasathandazeki khona. To a point la omunye akhale. To a point la omunye athuke uNkulunkulu. To a point la omunye ati, why waste my time? Why bother praying? Why even bother believing in God? Uma zonke lezinto zenzeka empilweni yami. And if you've ever gone through that in your life, I want to say to you, it's very much human. If you've ever gone through that in your life, I want to say to you, there's nothing wrong with you. Most people, most great men and great women have gone through the same thing, where they've struggled to make sense. Go back to Jesus on the cross. Have you ever reflected, Jesu ekhuleka, my God, why have you forsaken me? Why have you rejected me? Why have you left me all alone hanging on the cross? Why am I going through this? Why are you so absent from my life? And we know ukuthi Jesu, this is not the first time ekhuluma noNkulunkulu ngalendlela. We know umese ngadini yaseGetsemane, he cries out to God and he says, this is too much for me to bear. I cannot do this. And he says, Nkosi, uma kukuhle kuwena susa lesitsha phambi kwami. Uma thandeka kuwena susa lesitsha phambi kwami. And yet, not my will, but your will. Because at the point engifuna ukuhlela kuyona ukuthi there are moments where we go through so much. And unfortunately, Tandazami, when we're going through so much, words fail us. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uyazama ukukhuluma nomunye umuntu, uyazama ukuthi umchazele omunye umuntu, and they don't get it. They don't understand. Sometimes we are even scared of talking about it because we think abantu will judge us. But that's the first thing that I want to talk about. Ukuthi there comes a time when we cannot pray anymore. There comes a time when we feel as if imkhuleko yethu ibhajwe la emkhathini. There comes a time when we feel ukuthi no man, uNkulunkulu akangizwa. And uMapostle Pauli talks from experience. And uthi kuthina, but when that moment comes, athi mceleni umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi unikhulekele. Yabona khona into that we go through empilweni, ubezwa abantu bathi angikwazi mina ukukhuleka, angikwazi mina ukushumayela, kodwa ngiyakwazi ukudumisa. And so you realize ukuthi music plays a huge role in the healing of African people. You realize ukuthi music plays a huge role in the worshiping of these people. And for them, and they will see it, and not just African people, but most people in life will go through this, and they know how to worship. They know how to sing. They know how to praise God. Uyabona mina nginomfowethu, my brother hardly goes to church. I cannot remember when last he went to church. But I know ukuthi when he plays gospel music, he sits and he deeply meditates, and he's a good man. Take nothing away from him. He's a genuinely good man. He's a good man, and angimkholwa ukuthi uyongena izulu yamuntu. He's a good man. He's gentle, he's loving, he's huge, he's a giant, but he's a great man. And he just loves listening to music. And he will listen to this gospel music, and it transforms and it makes sense. And that's the similar thing that Paul talks about. Mceleni umoya kaNkulunkulu nikhulekele. Yabona khona isigaba esifika empilweni la you realize ukuthi I just cannot pray. And every time you want to pray, kufanele kwehle inyembezi. And athi umpostoli Paul athi umoya kaNkulunkulu uyabubula phakathi kwethu. The Spirit of God prays inside of us. Iwona okwazi ukusinxusela, iwona okwazi ukusenzela. To a point la ithandwa zami ngithi mina khona kwesinye isikhathi iyaNkulunkulu uthi inkosi uma ungakwazi ukwezwa amazwi omlomo wami, at least izwa ubuhlungu benhliziyo yami. Nkosi buka inyembezi eziphuma emehlweni ami. At least those akube izona ezikwazi ukungikhulekela, akube izona ezikwazi ukungenzela. Yabona ithandwa zami, there are moments la umuntu ezivalela khona endlini. There are moments la umuntu ehlala khona yedwa engakwazi ukuvula amakhethini because there's just so much going on. Yabona ithandwa zami, I feel ukuthi we owe it to ourselves. We owe it to each other to be kind, to be gentle, to be extra understanding. People are going through a lot. People are struggling with a lot, and they are not talking about it. There's so much that people go through. Yes, we can name it and call it depression. We can name it and call it anxiety. We can name it and call it doubt. We can name it and call it being conflicted. We can name it and call it whatever we want. But some of these things, even nabanikazi bayo, they don't know what to call it. But they know ukuthi they are just not in good space. And they know ukuthi izinto are not going according to plan. And ufuna ukuthi to those people who go through that, the opening words of St. Paul, let the Spirit of God pray for you. Let the Spirit of God take whatever experience and let it place before God. Let it place that in the presence of God. Athi Nkosi ngilethe imkhuleko kaSibanibani. Athi Nkosi ngilethe inyembezi zikaSibanibani. Athi Nkosi ngilethe ukububula kukaSibanibani. Athi Nkosi akasakwazi ukuyizela yena. Nkosi akasakwazi ukuyikhulumela yena. Kodwa ngithema ngimbuka, and I realize there's so much going on. The second thing that I also would like us to talk about is in verse 27. And the one who searches every heart, and the God who searches every heart knows what is in the mind of the Spirit, because the Spirit intercedes for the saints according to the will of God. And the one who searches every heart knows what is in the Spirit. I love that part. Ngoba lona ohlolisisa izinhliziyo uyakwazi oqondwa ngumoya. Nokuthi umoya ukhulumela abangcwele ngokwentando kaNkulunkulu. Yabona ithandwa zami, ngifuna ukuya kule point ethi God knows your heart. Yabona mina ngumuntu, mina ngiyahluleka, futhi mina neningi singakwahlulela, singakuqondi, singakunderstand, sikujudge. Kodwa I would love you to sit with this concept. But uNkulunkulu uyayazi inhliziyo yami. But uNkulunkulu uyalazi iqiniso elisenhlizweni yami. But uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukububula okusenhlizweni yami. But God knows the heart. uNkulunkulu wazi konke okusenhlizweni yami. Yabona khona isigaba empilweni la engimele uvume khona ukuthi but uNkulunkulu uyayazi inhliziyo yami, uyabazi ubumhlophe bayo, futhi uyalazi uthande engikuthanda ngalo, uyakwazi ukuyisola engiyisola ngalo, uyalazi iqiniso engililangazelelayo, uyakwazi ubuhlungu that I go through. And for me, that is enough. Yabona ithandwa zami, so often in our lives we do things waiting for people's approval. So often in our lives we do things hoping which people will understand, they will get us. But not all the time. And not every person wants to get us. And ngifuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje, bengifuna ukuthi kuthina namhlanje, but God knows the heart. God knows the truth. God knows how genuine we are. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't be too harsh on yourself. With everything that you are going through, with everything that you are praying for, bengifuna ukuthi kuwena uNkulunkulu uyabona, uNkulunkulu uyezwa, uNkulunkulu is here for you. And that's what verse 27 does. Now there's something also in verse 28. And we know that for those who love God, all things work together for good. We know that for those who love God, all things work better for good. Siyazi ukuthi kwabamthandayo uNkulunkulu konke kusebenzelana kube kuhle. I love that lelo gama. Konke kusebenzelana kube kuhle. And I think that's the word for today. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. All things will work together for my good. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. All things will work together for my good. All things will work together for my good. That's the word for today. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Konke. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Not some, not little, but konke. Konke kuzosebenzelana. And I so wish we can pray that into the universe. We can pray that into our lives. Ngoba othembisile uneqiniso. Okhulumile uneqiniso. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. All things will work together for my good. Noma ngathiwa mina angisiboni isisombululo. Noma ngathiwa mina angiyitholi isolution. Noma ngathiwa mina I am stuck in fear. But konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Ngobani? Ngoba ngiyamthemba uNkulunkulu. Ngoba umoya kaNkulunkulu iwona osungikhulekela. Yabona ithandwa zami, we are now reaching a different level of our existence. We are reaching a different level of prayer. It's no longer I who prays. It is the Spirit of God that prays in me, through me, and for me. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. All things will work together. All things will work together for my good. Ngoba uNkulunkulu unento afuna ukuyenza. Ngoba uNkulunkulu unecebo ahlezi elungisa. Ngoba uNkulunkulu akafuni ukungibona ngiphatheke kabi. uNkulunkulu akafuni ukukubona ujabhile. uNkulunkulu akafuni ukukubona usosizini. uNkulunkulu akafuni ukukubona uyinhlekisa. uNkulunkulu akafuni ukukubona udlala abantu. All things, thandwa zami, I believe this. All things will work together for your own good. Konke uNkulunkulu uzokwenza, konke kuzosebenzelana. How, I don't know. But why and who, I know. Because uNkulunkulu has said so. Because uNkulunkulu uyaphelelisa. Because uNkulunkulu akuthembisayo uyakwenza. Bengifuna ukuthi kuzo zonke izimo sewukhale sekwanele. Sewukhulume sekwanele. Sewudube sekwanele. Uyabona khona abanye abantu abayi esontweni because they are so upset. Khona abanye abantu ababuyele emakhaya because they are so upset. Khona abanye abantu who want to resign because they are so upset and they are so hurting. Khona abanye abantu who've chosen to live alone. Khona abanye abantu who've walked out of relationships. Khona abanye abantu who've walked out of family. Khona abanye abantu who are about to walk out of their jobs. Khona abanye abantu who just say, I'm out. Ufuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. All things will work together for your own good. And I would love you to write that in your status. I would love you to write that in your journal. I would love you to pray over that. Ukuthi nalokhu Nkosi kusazosebenzelana kube kuhle. Nangalezi inyembezi Nkosi kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Nangalenhlamba Nkosi kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Nangakho konke okwenziwa kumina, I know kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle because wena Nkosi sewukhulumile. Nangalokhu Nkosi usazongivezela amandla akho, konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. And that is a reality uNkulunkulu asinikeza yona. It's more than a reality. It is the assurance. It is the assurance ukuthi konke mfana wami, konke mntanami, konke ndodakazi yami, konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Don't lose that. Ungasuki kuNkulunkulu ningasenzanga leso sithembiso. Ungasuki kuNkulunkulu having not reached that covenant. Ukuthi Nkosi nakubantwana bami makwenzeke. Ukuthi Nkosi nakwibhizinisi lami makwenzeke. Ukuthi Nkosi njoba ngiphuma ngiyofuna umsebenzi, let it work together for my own good. Let things work together for my own good. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. That's Romans chapter 8 verse 28. For we know that for those who love God, all things will work together for good. For those who are called according to his purpose. Ngokuba siyazi ukuthi kwabamethembayo nabamthandayo uNkulunkulu konke kusebenzelana kube kuhle kulabo ababizwe ngecebo lakhe. There's a second part engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Kulaba ababizwe ngecebo lakhe. Kulaba ababizwe ngentando yakhe. For those who are called according to his purpose. I know the plans I have for you. Yalazi icebo enginalo ngempilo yakho. I know what should be going on. I know what should be happening in your life. I know where you are supposed to be in your life. uNkulunkulu yazi, bafethu, ayikho uNkulunkulu into angayazi. Ayikho futhi uNkulunkulu into angasifiseli yona enhle. Uthi uNkulunkulu wethu namhlanje ngisazokwenza. Yabona emkhulekweni wami izolo nakulezi insuku engidlule kuzona, ngike ngakhuluma noNkulunkulu mina oke wamisa ulwandle olubovu. Walidabula phakathi. ngathi mina Nkosi nasemandulo kaze kuzwakala ukuthi khona umuntu oke wamisa ulwandle walidabula phakathi abantwana bakho banyathela esihlabathini esomileyo. Nasemandulo akekho umuntu owazi uNkulunkulu oke wahamba phezu kwamanzi engewona umoya ewumuntu phaqa. Nasemandulo mina akekho umuntu oke wambona uNkulunkulu owashaya idwala maqedane kwaphuma amanzi. Mina ngike ngatshela uNkulunkulu ngikhuluma naye ngathi ngifuna ukukhuluma mina nalo uNkulunkulu wezimangaliso odabula amafu maqedane athathwe kwasemkhathini akuhlanganiswe nokwezulu athathwe kwasezulwini akubuyisele kubantu bakhe. Namhlanje ekseni ngifuna ukuthi mina wena you are called, you are created ngokwecebo nangentando kaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu akavukanga nje ekseni and waphaphama usukhona. No, everything about you, everything that matters the most, everything that tells us who you are, kade uNkulunkulu ayihlela. Yabona ithandwa zami, ngifuna ukuthi asambeni siye uNkulunkulu siyothatha lokhu kade asihlelela khona. Yabona khona isigaba esifika ngimina empilweni yami mangithi mina sengicela ukukushiya konke lokho engihlelele kona mina. Sengicela ukukushiya konke mina lokho engithe ngiyifunela kona. Ngisayolanda lokho uNkulunkulu angihlelela kona. Ngisayolanda lokho uNkulunkulu angidalela kona. Ngisayolanda lokho uNkulunkulu angibizela kona. Ngisayolanda lokho uNkulunkulu angithandela kona. Ngisayalonda lokho uNkulunkulu azi ukuthi masane ngikuthole inhliziyo yami iyogcwala, masane ngikuthole umphefumulo wami uyothola ukusizakala, mangasane ngikuthole konke kuyohamba kahle. Ngisayolanda lokho uNkulunkulu angifunela kona. uNkulunkulu knows the plans. uNkulunkulu understands the memo. uNkulunkulu knows the secular. uNkulunkulu knows what is supposed to be going on through in your own life. He knows it. Akufunakala isikhohlise sitshe ukuthi uNkulunkulu akaboni. Akufunakala isikhohlise sitshe ukuthi uNkulunkulu akazi. Akufunakala sitshe ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu ukhohliwe akakhohlwa. He knows the plan. And so kwesinye isikhathi empilweni yami kuyafika ukuthi Thembelani ake ushiye lokhu wena obuyifunela kona. Ake ushiye lokhu wena obuthi uzenzela kona. Ngisayolanda ke into zami mina uNkulunkulu. Ngiyafika kuyena ngithi Nkosi sengizolanda into zami. Uthe wena nje ezwini lakho, I know the plans I have for you. Kusho wena ezwini lakho, what I have plans for your success. Kusho wena nje ezwini lakho, what I have plans to see you grow. Kusho wena nje ezwini lakho, wathi bonke laba abeza kuwena athi bophumelela, they will be like eagles. I cannot be flying so low because you have created me with the spirit of an eagle. I cannot just be here because you have given me the insight of an eagle. And so kwesinye isikhathi fanele siye kuyena. Engani wena Nkosi uthezwini lakho icebo nalo ngomuntu wakho ngeshintshwe. Uvuma kanjani bahlangane ngegama lami kakade bese yakhuluma umdala wensuku athi noma bangahlangana ngegama lakho kodwa ekupheleni kwakho konke icebo enginalo eyasikhona uNkulunkulu ibuza kuthina athi kanti awusangithembi yini? Kanti awusangithembi yini? Athi indaba wadidiswa izinto ezenziwa abantu. Indaba wadidiswa izinto ezikhulunywa abantu. Indaba wadidiswa izinto that are beyond you. Kanti awusangithembi yini? Yazi uNkulunkulu kwesinye isikhathi uyangimangaza. Athi kanti manini kanti ubani lo khuluma naye? Kanti sewukhohliwe ukuthi mina ngingomdala weinsuku. Kanti sewukhohliweni ukuthi lona amadoda asendulo athe onwele zakhe zimhlophe njengoboya bezimvu. Kanti sewukhohliwe namadoda asendulo athi akambona engene esithandweni somlilo no Shadrach no Meshach no Abednego. Kanti sewulibele nje ukuthi ngelinye ilanga enye indoda kuyangena emphandweni wengonyama kodwa zaze zayidla. Kanti sewukhohliweni ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu wethu uke wahamba nathi. Hayi thandwa zami, kanti sesikhohliweni uke wasithwala uNkulunkulu wethu. Thandwa zami, khohlwa ukuthi abantu bathini. khohlwa ukuthi abantu benza kanjani, kodwa kufanele into ekumele singakhohlwa ukubuyela kuyona ukuthi unaleli icebe elihle ngawe, unalenhloso enhle ngawe. Thandwa zami, kanti igama lakho usulikhohliweni. Engani igama likaNkulunkulu inhloso enhle. Igama lakho unhloso enhle ngoba unenhloso enhle ngempilo yakho. Khona lento uNkulunkulu afuna ukuyenza, futhi khona lento uNkulunkulu ayenzayo. And so often we get confused. We don't understand. And we intervene. And we interfere. Athi uNkulunkulu, but mntanami, let me be God. Athi okwani ukukhathazeka ongaka. Athi ezani insizwe engaka. Athi ngani udangale kangaka. Athi ngani usabe kangaka. Athi ngani uphatheke kabuhlungu kangaka. Sewukhohliwe yini? Hayi thandwa zami, kuvuka mina inkonzo kuyaphakama ngelinye ilanga. UJoseph ebuka abafowabo. Athi seningilibele yini? Athi mina uJoseph umfowenu. Yazi ngathi uNkulunkulu namhlanje ekseni utsho njalo. Uthi sewungikhohliwe nisibanibani. Uthi mina nje uNkulunkulu mina. Athi sewungikhohliwe. Athi wena kwakufanele kushona umncane. Athi wena uyakhumbula ngikuhlenga ucishe ugwiliza. Wena uyakhumbula ngikuhlenga nicishe nibulawa abantu. Wena uyakhumbula ngikuhlenga uphume engozini yemoto. Khona abanye bethu abalimala and no one thought who will make it. Athi uNkulunkulu sewukhohliweni. Athi uNkulunkulu befuna ukuyovusa uma wakhe emalibeni. Hamba umvusa umbuzo ukuthi hayibo ma, lo uNkulunkulu ke wahamba nawe ngiyaxolisa sengikhohliwe. Hayibo baba, lo uNkulunkulu ke wahamba nawe ngiyaxolisa sengikhohliwe. Uthi uNkulunkulu sengikhohliwe yini? Thi mntanami, you are called according to my purpose. Mntanami, ubizelwe icebe elihle ngempilo yakho. Uthi uNkulunkulu ngiyalazi icebe nginalo. Ngiyawazi umkhuleko wakho. Ngiyakwazi ukububula kwenhliziyo yakho. Ngiyakwazi engikufisela kona. Ngiyayazi into ezokwenzela umehluko. Hayi thandwa zami, yazi bengifisa namhlanje ekseni simethembe uNkulunkulu. Bengifisa namhlanje ekseni umethembe noma inhliziyo yakho ingabaza. Bengifisa simethembe noma izinto singasazi. Khona lenkonzo evuka kumina endleleni uma abesifazane beyelibeni beyibuzana endleleni ukuthi ayibo njoba sithi sifuna ukuyelibeni lika Jesu, athi soliginqela ubani lelitshe. Bayakhala besifazane endleleni bathi soliginqela ubani lelitshe lingaka ngoba thina sazi futhi asinawo amandla. Kanti abazi ukuthi omdala weinsuku sefikile. Yabona ithandwa zami, khona lenkonzo uNkulunkulu lokho eyibekile enhlizweni yami ukuthi mfana wami ungadikibali, ukuthi mfana wami ungesabe, mfana wami ungethuki. Athi ngoba mina I go before you. And ngifuna ukusho njalo nakuwena ithandwa zami. Ngifuna ukusho njalo nakuwena sithandwa sezulu. Ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi namhlanje ekseni njengoba siqala leli sonto, yindaba ungamethembi uNkulunkulu. Yindaba ungamcela uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi hamba phambi kwami, ngicela ukuze emva kwakho. Yindaba ungamethembi uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi ngicela ukuthi kube wena ohola indlela. Yindaba ngamethembi uNkulunkulu ngithi Nkosi mina ngizofika musu khona. Yindaba ngamethembi uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi in whatever happens I'm trusting you. Yabona ithandwa zami, khona into mina ebuye ingixake njengabantu. Yabona mawuzongena eTexini noma uzogibela ibhasi noma isitimela noma ebhanoyini, how many of us go kwi-pilot? How many of us go ku-driver? How many of us go and ask them, are you a good driver? Are you a qualified driver? Show me your driving experiences. Show me your driving qualifications. None of us do that. We just trust them. Now, if ungikwazi ukuthemba isidalwa esiwumuntu, how much more uNkulunkulu? Phela ithandwa zami ningakhohlwa. Mina nawe have a track record of ukuthembeka kaNkulunkulu. Mina nawe have a track record of imangaliso ikaNkulunkulu. Mina nawe have a track record of success kaNkulunkulu. Success rate kaNkulunkulu is uncomparable. Ayilinganiswa nalutho. Umusa kaNkulunkulu awulinganiswa nalutho. Anything uNkulunkulu asenzele yona ayilinganiswa nalutho. Namhlanje ekseni ngifuna ukuthi asibuyeleni kuNkulunkulu siyothatha iceba nalo ngeimpilo zethu. Asibuyeleni kuNkulunkulu siyothatha amandla anawo ngeimpilo zethu. Asibuyeleni kuNkulunkulu siyothatha okuhle asifunela kona. Enhlizweni yami kuyavuka ukuthi ungadideki, ungadikibali, ungavumi isimo sanamhlanje sishintshe okuningi uNkulunkulu asekwenzele kona. Ungavumi ukudideka kwanamhlanje kushintshe okuningi uNkulunkulu asekwenzele kona. Ungavumi ukukhala kwanamhlanje kushintshe okuningi uNkulunkulu asekwenzele kona. Thandwa zami, uNkulunkulu wethu uthembekile. uNkulunkulu wethu akashiye endleleni. uNkulunkulu wethu akashiyi umuntu wakhe exakekile. Namhlanje ekseni ngifuna ukuthi kuwena konke kusebenzelana kube kuhle empilweni yakho. Konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle empilweni yakho. All things will work together for your own good. Ukuthi uSathane uthini, ukuthi umqambi manga uthini, ukuthi umzenzisi uthini, ukuthi abamngabazayo bathini, ukuthi ama-experiences ethu athini, ukuthi abantu abakhuluma eceleni bathini, ukuthi ama-fears in my heart athini, ukuthi ungabaza kwami kuthini. But all things, konke ngimfunga uNkulunkulu esezulwini, konke kuzosebenzelana kube kuhle. Ngoba ushilo ezwini lakhe, what all things will work together for my own good. All things, not just some, not just few, but all things. Thina namhlanje uNkulunkulu wethu, wozani nithathe ongokwenu. Wozani nithathe enginifisela kona. Wozani nithathe that which is good for your own life. Wozani nithathe. uNkulunkulu somandla makabe nani nibusise, makanivikela nikhanyisele, makaninikeze amandla akhe nomusa nothando negrasiya lakhe ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.